Hey guys, welcome back to my channel with another video. Okay, so yeah, I'm back with another video, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I refreshed my hair. It was looking kind of like brassy in a way, and it was just looking dull, so I had to, like, you know, refresh it. Right now can't really see it because the sun is down, it's kind of cloudy outside, but I just wanted to show you guys my steps on how I refresh my hair. So yeah, it was looking kind of dull and just looking really bad. So I got my Adore hair color, my live again, you know. I'm gonna use the Cajun Spice, and I'm just gonna use whatever's left of it because it's like, I feel like it's up to like right here. So I'm just gonna use the whole thing, slap it on my bun, and we're gonna call it a day. Who still dabs? I don't know. I split my hair in 4 sections, as you can see in the video. I split my hair in 4 sections, and then I can't speak. I'm cutting all this out. So I part the hair in 4 sections, and I just put it in my hands and just like put it all over my hair. And I make sure to comb it through, massage it through. After I did that, I just wrapped it up under a plastic cap for about 15-30 minutes. After the 15 or 30 minutes passed, I washed my hair out and just styled it as I wanted to. So I blow dried it and I straightened it. That's pretty much the end of the video, guys. So like, subscribe, and you'll see me in my next video real soon. Maybe a vlog, we don't know. But before I end this video, let's replay the intro one more time.